Hello, Pear Subs. So for this video, I am going to share with you my Jo Malone haul. And I have two sets right here because I got one for my mom and then one for myself. And they are the same perfumes or the same colognes. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I bought two because they were at a very good price and they are 50% off. What are the odds? It's only lucky moments wherein Jo Malone have 50% off sale because they usually do not do that. And I'm just really happy because this is one of the best sellers. It's the Jo Malone English Pear and Freesia gift set. So this one includes the Jo Malone Cologne full size 100 ml. And then this one is just looking so beautiful with its super nice and clear bottle. So lovely. And then this set also includes the English Pear and Freesia body and hand wash gel moussant, and it looks like so. Last but not the least, it also has this one, and this is the English Pear and Freesia body and hand lotion. So those are the three items that are here on this collection. The good thing about having the entire collection of hand and body is that it's good to layer so that the scent will last longer. It will sink into your skin, linger on your skin. So yeah, first you do the body and hand wash, and then you layer it with the body and hand lotion, and finally spray with the cologne. And this one smells really, really good. It's one of my favorite Jo Malone scents. Very safe, super nice, and oh, that is like just really awesome. I love English Pear. I love pear perfumes or the pear scents in general. Love the Freesia in there too. That's a bonus. Just so stunning. So I wore this a couple of times at work, and then they asked me, hey, what are you wearing? And I said that it was this one, and then they say, oh my god, that smells so good. So yeah, I really highly recommend this particular one, and I know that my mom will be very happy with this set. Actually, she already know that I bought this for her, and I usually buy some things that's one for me and one for her, and yeah, super lovely. So yeah, perfect gift. This scent is not going to offend anybody, so you can wear it wherever you are working. You can wear it at school, you can wear it into church. It's not a problem, and it's not like a vulgar scent, or it's not like a very specific type of scent that you can only wear in a specific time, in a specific location. So it's for all occasion, all seasons. Well, when I smell it, it smells like spring to me, but you can wear it year round, not a problem. So yeah, highly recommend it, and I'm really in love with this one, and I know that my mom is going to be very happy about this too. See you on my next video. Remember that I have lots of perfume videos here on my channel. I have an entire perfume playlist, so go ahead and check that out. If you have a perfume video request, let me know, because I have a lot more here that I haven't shared with you. And coming soon, I will be sharing with you my Versace perfume hauls. That's quite a lot, and then a lot of Mugler perfumes also, about like 5 or more. So yeah, see you on my next perfume video, or on my next video. I do lots of videos about gadgets, beauty, fashion, and more. Love you all, and remember to stay fierce, fly high, and smell good. See ya.